Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create invoice on PayPal. So for this, first of all, go to paypal.com and log in with your account. Once you are logged in, there we have two options, that is send and request. Under that, we have create an invoice option. Click on create an invoice. Let me change it to English for you guys. Okay, so now here we have different options like who are you billing. So here you can add the name and email address of that person to whom you want to send a payment. So I will simply add a name and email first. Click on add. Next we have what are they paying for. So if you are getting any services from them, you can mention them. So I will just simply, for an example, I'm going to add bill here. Okay. Next we have, if I scroll down, okay, what are they paying for? So here you need to add a name. So I will click on create new item and I will go with services here. And you can name their services. So I will go with Binance here. Okay, now here you need to add the payment. So I will just add 100 or maybe $10 here. Okay, let's go with 100. So once you add the amount here, now scroll down. So now the invoice is created. Once you enter all the details here, then we have the send option on the top right corner. Simply click on send and in this way your invoice will be created. Okay, once the invoice is sent, what you can do is you can download the invoice. So there we have this download option for downloading. Click on download so the invoice will be downloaded and you can send them to the customer or whoever you want to send the money. So this is for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.